Hi, my name is David Goretzky, and I'm the president of the Evangelical Fellowship of Canada, and I'm a member of the International Council of the World Evangelical Alliance. I also serve as treasurer. The International Council is elected at each General Assembly that happens each 6 years, according to the WEA Constitution, and that International Council serves as the governing board for the Office of the Secretary General. We're there to provide accountability and direction and prayer support and strategic visioning for the WEA in between each General Assembly. The International Council is representative of people from around the globe, from every region.
So just thank you for praying for WEA. Your prayers mean a lot as we look ahead, as we plan ahead. We are grateful for your prayers and for your support.